First things first, appreciate your support. This is unfortunate. I've said this before, it doesn't matter. The brand doesn't matter. You can get a high-end washing machine and it will be gone in months. Now look at this machine. It was installed in a flooded area. Adjustable feet rusted, and once they rust, leveling becomes a problem. The machine starts vibrating when spinning. Look, this is the motor. We are talking about 10K and above. The motor is dead. Those are dampers. Poor suspension now. This is the drain pump. The machine cannot drain water without a working drain pump. Now, everything on this machine is messed up. This flooding caused a short on the motor and the drain pump, which affected the motherboard. Now imagine having to buy a motherboard, a motor, a drain pump. That is almost the price of getting a new washing machine. Look, the machine was installed in an area where when you hang clothes, water drips on the washer. That's why it's rusted. This is the motherboard. Water can easily penetrate that panel to the motherboard. This was avoidable. Guys,